In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp on Zapier. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that listens for new data in Airtable and sends it straight into ClickUp, saving you time and manual effort. Start by heading to Zapier.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace that has access to the apps you plan to use. It also helps to have your Airtable base and your ClickUp list ready so you can pick them quickly. From your Zapier dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Create. Then choose Zaps. This opens the editor where we'll build the workflow. You'll set up the trigger first, the thing that starts the automation, then the action, which is what happens in response. In the editor, click on Trigger, search for Airtable, then select it. When Zapier asks for a trigger event, choose New Spreadsheet Row as shown in the guide. The idea is to capture new entries as they're added, so pick the option that aligns with new rows or new records in your Airtable data. Next, connect your Airtable account. Zapier will prompt you to authenticate, follow the on-screen steps, and grant access. Once connected, use Test Trigger to pull in a sample. If you don't see any data, add a quick sample row in Airtable and retest so Zapier has something to work with. With the trigger confirmed, move on to the action, click Action, then search for ClickUp and select it. Choose your action event. Creating a task is a common choice, and think about which list or folder you want to target inside ClickUp. Connect your ClickUp account and authorize Zapier to access the correct workspace and team. After that, Zapier will show the fields for the action. This is where you map information from Airtable to ClickUp, like task name, description, assignee, or due date, using the sample data you pulled in earlier. Now it's time to test. Click the test option shown. If it still reads test trigger in your interface, use that to run the sample through end to end. Zapier will send the example from Airtable to ClickUp so you can confirm the result. Check in ClickUp to make sure the task appears where you expect and that key fields look right. If anything doesn't line up, revisit your field mappings, make sure you're pointing to the correct Airtable base and ClickUp list, and confirm you have at least one recent sample row. Once everything looks good, your integration is ready to run automatically whenever new data is added.